Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to build the Lego brand store. So it's a Lego store built like out of Lego. Isn't it so lovely? I just can't wait to build this. So we have some stickers. It's a little bit like crumpled, a little bit, but it's okay. So, oh my god, look at all these Lego sets. So cute. And these look interesting too. So we have one guidebook, but the interesting thing is that there's no QR code, so you can't get points with this set. I don't know why. I thought maybe this was like a gift we'd purchased maybe a long time ago. I don't know. So we have a nice woman over here. So she has two faces, but let's use this one because this looks more natural. So she's wearing a really nice cardigan and like clothes, and this is a little boy over here. He just has one face. So I think it's mom and son, right? So anyway, there's one family over here. So cute. Yeah. So we have two minifigures. Now let's build this Lego store. So this is really nice because the whole building is the Lego store. You know, like Lego stores in my country, mostly they're just inside malls and stuff like that. So it's not really like a just a special building for the Lego store, or like you can actually see the Lego like really big. I did see one. It was in London, but I didn't go inside. It was like I think like 3 years ago, and there was like a big line anyway. So we have some two sets over here in the window side. We have Friends set and a City set. Yeah, kind of look like old sets, right? Those City and Friends. So probably this set is maybe a little bit old, maybe like 4 or 5 years ago or something like that. So the floor tile is mostly like gray and yellow. That's so cute, right? I wish I could actually go to the big, like Lego store in Denmark. I think it'll be so amazing. Yeah, so I did see one in London. It wasn't a special building just for a Lego store. I think it had some other stuffs too, but it was like I could see like the big Lego logo and like that. I didn't really go inside because I wasn't really, like that interested in Lego at that time. And there was also a really big line and I didn't really have time to go inside. But anyway, I think it was yesterday or maybe, yeah, I think like 4 days ago or something like that. I was in the Lego store and I got the Lego passport. So you can get like stamps from all the other like Lego stores all around the world. Isn't that so amazing? I was really wondering like how other people got those passports, but turns out they were just in like the cash register like that, and then the cashier said like you could take it. Yeah, anyway, these floor tiles look so cute, and we have like those big red brick things over there. I think it's such a cute idea, don't you think? A Lego store made out of Lego. I wonder what this like Lego set is designed, like maybe there is like a Lego store that looks exactly like this set somewhere around the world. I'm not sure what Lego store in like which country, but I think it could exist because the building does look quite, realistic. So this one is the cash register. You know, when you go to like Lego stores, they have like flags and it says like 1, 2, 3, or maybe 1, 2, or maybe there's also 4, but I didn't go to a Lego store that big. Normally it was just like 1, 2, 3 cash registers, and there's like flags and it looks like the actual Lego bricks. So cute, right? And this one as well, they've got some flags, a blue one and a yellow one, and this one kind of looks like a boat. It's like a display case for like Lego sets, I think. And I don't know, maybe you can like try to build some of them. There's like a little desk on top of it, but not so sure what that's for. So we have a Lego creator set and also a Lego city, I think. Yeah, like this. So cute, right? And we're going to make the these like walls now. Yeah, come like this. I wonder which Lego store is the biggest one around the world. I bet it's super gigantic. I never went to a Lego store that has like 2 floors. Always thought the one that I went was just like 1 floor. Yeah, even the biggest one in my country, it's the biggest one, but it doesn't feel that big. Anyway, so we have lots of yellow colors because I kind of think yellow is like Lego's main like, color. So we've got some plants outside the window. Yeah, with like these red plant pots. So this one is like the display case where we're going to like stack all these Lego sets. So purple, the bottom layer is Lego Friends. So we have a boat, and I think that's a house, and also a car. So in the second layer, we're going to put like these yellow colors, and they're going to be these creator sets. We have a house, and not so sure what the other one is. Is that like a ride, or like is that like a merry-go-round or something? So anyway, we have one like some like more difficult ones, like ideas, like dinosaur bones, and also like piano. I know that piano one. It's not actual piano size, of course. It's a bit smaller than that, but it's also really cool. So I'm not so sure what that green thing is. So we also have some techniques, like lots of cars. Okay, so let's place this over here and like cover these holes. This looks so cute, right? I just love it so much. So this Lego store that I'm building right now, it also has like 2 floors. It actually has all the things, in like a Lego store where you can like pick your bricks, make your own minifigures, design. These days there's like this machine that you can like kind of like draw like a design, and then they like print out like this minifigure body for you. So this one we are going to put some like animal bodies. So if you stand at the back, it's gonna look as if you have like animal bodies. Yeah, I guess they have these sort of things in other countries, but I never saw these sort of things in my Lego stores. Anyway, so we have a giraffe body, and this one is is that a tiger? Yeah, anyway, so we have like these walls. So if you stand at the back, is that a tiger? That kind of looks weird. Like I don't know. Is that a fox? I think that's a tiger, but kind of doesn't look like a tiger. So oh my god, these are so cute. I like these decorations. It does look kind of old. I think this set is kind of old. It feels kind of old, but it's really cute. Yeah. So we have so many things like Lego carrots and Lego rubber duckies and Lego eyes. Like, those eyes are cute too. We decorated the wall over here. We also have some bananas. So this is the left part. We're also going to make the one on the right part. And after that, we're building the second floor. Yeah, so cute. I wish they made like two upstairs as well, because if you close it, the half of the second floor is open, so it doesn't really seem like a perfect square. So I think it would have been nice if they also made second floor into a nice square shape, because the second floor is only like half circle, a square. You will understand what I'm talking about when you actually see this all finished. So putting these walls, and we also have a cute sticker over here as well. We have like lots of people like with different ages and like different backgrounds and stuff. Yeah, so we have like a grandma and like a working man, I think, and a little girl as well. So this one is the right part. And this is where we're going to put the pick a brick part. I actually never tried that yet, because I never actually needed like a particular piece. But if you do, I think it's a very nice choice. And you can only do that offline, right? Can't do that online, I'm pretty sure. So that's like lots of pieces, and you can put them in like a little box, the ones that you need, and you can buy those. So if you're doing like your own like custom builds and things like that, your own creations, I think it's very useful. So there's a lot of colors, and it looks exactly like it. So I think this is just so cute. Don't you think? We have a lot of colors. We have yellow, orange, pink, green, purple, red, turquoise, and yeah, like that. We have quite a lot of colors over here, like this. So let's also put another orange, and there you go. So these are the pick a brick parts, and we're going to put like a sticker, pick a brick, so that people would know this is actually the pick a brick area. Isn't that so cute? And we also have a place where you can make your own minifigures. So there's like 2 kinds. One is just like, picking the hair piece, head, body, legs, and accessories. And the other one, you actually draw them that you design them and then they print it out for you. I never tried that too because it's actually quite expensive and I think it's very not so very reasonable. But if you actually want to make something, I think that's also nice. But it does look kind of hard to draw because I did see some other people doing it and it seems like it doesn't really turn out as you expected. Anyway, so we finished the right part and we're building the upper floor now. Okay, so over here we have another shelf full of Lego sets. So first starting with light green color, we have Lego Duplo. That's so cute. I just love Duplo as well because I did try some like it was in the Lego store and they had some like Duplos so that like babies could play with them and it feels so good, like small pieces. It doesn't really, it's nice, it's very detailed, but it's not really, like healing. But the Duplo was so it feels so good, the texture and the sound and everything. So okay, we have some Ninjago sets as well and also some more city sets, and so we have a very interesting sticker over there. I never saw my Lego stores with those kind of patterns, but anyway, the floor is also gray and yellow in the second floor as well. I wish they made some like Lego these Lego display things, because if you actually go to Lego stores, there's a lot of like these big figures made with Lego. I also saw like Iron Man and like lots of things, and I wonder why they didn't make it in this set, but I guess it was a little bit difficult because this is also made out of Lego, this Lego store itself. So anyway, but that's also one of the cute things that you see when you go to a Lego store, like these figures, Lego figures that is made out of Legos, like really big ones. I bet it took ages to make those, right? So we have big windows over there, and we also put the Lego logo, which is very important. So this is a train. So the second floor, we're going to display some big Legos. So this train, and there's also going to be a Disney castle. There was like a really, really, really big Disney castle a few years ago, I think. Yeah, so let's put this train like this. Yeah, there you go. So it's a nice train. I wonder what sort of train it is. Maybe it's some like ideas or icon or something like that, maybe. Or maybe it's Technique, or it could be, maybe it's Harry Potter, I don't know. So this area is where you can build some Legos. So let's put some small pieces in here. So cute. We have like 3 circles. Yeah, that's where you can play with Lego sets. And this one is the big Disney castle. It's displayed over here like Disney castle, and we have like lots of these blue castle pointy things. I wonder why they don't have like small Disney set, like in this set, the stickers. It was just Duplo, Ninjago, Friends, and stuff like that. Maybe they just put the series that Lego made. Like for example, like Harry Potter, Disney, and those sort of sets. It's not actually the thing that Lego has made, the series. But for Friends, Ninjago, and those sort of things, that's the series that Lego has made. So maybe that's why they just put those things in this set, the Lego sets. So over here, that's where you can make your minifigures. I'm a little bit disappointed that they just made it as a sticker. But anyway, we also have some other patterns over there as well. But this is minifigure factory area. So now we finished building this set. Let's put these all together. And what I was saying, okay, sorry, we also have some stairs so that people could go to the second floor and to the first floor. So what I was saying, the second floor is just half square. So I think it would have been nice if they also made the other half. So if you close it, it will be a complete 2-floored square, yeah. So if you close it, there's gonna be like a hole, but maybe they made it like that so that it'll be easier for us to play with. But anyway, this is how it looks like, and now let's play with this set. So oh my god, Mom, it's the Lego store. Can I look around? Sure. So now this mom and this little boy over here, they're going inside the Lego store. It's always so exciting to go inside the Lego store. Oh, Mom, look at all those Lego sets. Let me remove the second floor because it's a bit shadowy over here. Oh my god, mom, it's technique. And oh, I love creator. There's also friends. Oh, there's a Lego piano too. Wow, that looks so cool. I like the piano one. Yeah, that's so cool too. And oh, we've got some like little boat over there. And oh, mom, if you do it like this, I'm going to become a tiger. Oh, let me try that too. I think maybe I'm too tall for these. Yeah, I think so. Even the cash register looks so cute, mom. Look at all those flags. Yeah, it does look nice. I also like the photo at the back. Yeah, that looks so cool too. Mom, let's check out this part, the pickup brick. Oh my god, those pieces are so amazing. Look at all these colors. Yeah, that looks really nice. Oh, this is so cute. There's a figure inside. I think they're making it, for someone who's made it. Anyway, let's go to the second floor now. Okay, so they're going to the second floor. Oh my god, the Disney castle. And all those, there's also a train, mom. And oh, there's also like these Legos inside this place where you can play with them. This is so cool too. Yeah, that's very nice. And oh, this is the minifigure factory, mom. Yeah, that's cool. And over there we have a bunch of more Legos. Oh, this city car. I've been wanting this for ages, mom. Can I get this for my birthday present? Okay, thank you. Okay, so this little boy's got this city set for his birthday, this car. Yeah, that looks so cute. So now they're going back to the cash register, of course, so that they would pay for it. Yeah, like there you go. Yeah, there you go. So now they're going to go back downstairs to the cash register. Okay, so they're going to look around a little bit more and then after that use the cash register. Oh, this city set is cool too. And oh, this creator is nice too. So now he's looking around the store a little bit more, and after that, he's going to buy his birthday present and go home. And over here, in the entrance, there's a lot of decorations too, and over here, like those things as well. That's so nice, right? I wonder when this set came out. I think it'll be at least like 4 years ago or something. So now he came back to the cash register, and there's only 2 minifigures in this set, so I just brought some other minifigures. So this is he is going to be the cashier. That's kind of funny. So now this boy's got his set and now they're going back home. So this is the end of the playing and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye bye.